Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to do a tutorial on this look that I have on my face right now. It's not the usual colors that I reach for. I have this very olive toned gold paired with this very nice matte olive eyeshadow. I actually used this eyeshadow palette today. This is by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. This is from her Vault collection, and this eyeshadow palette has like a lot of warm olive tones, and I basically just used 3 eyeshadows from the palette. This olive shade right here, this shade, golden olive shade called Coin, the olive one is called Top Secret, and a little bit of the shade called Access. So those are the only 3 things that I used in my eyes, and I try to keep this like very wearable with the rest of my face. I didn't really like indulge too much in contouring my face and stuff like that. I still wanted my face to be like very dewy and effortless, which is the kind of look that I have been loving lately. Also, this palette is actually something that I picked up from Ankita's place. I'd actually gone to her place to celebrate her reaching such a huge milestone on her channel. She just crossed 500k subscribers, and I just couldn't have been more happier for her. I have so much love for that girl and so much respect. She has inspired me so much. And we were kind of watching this Natasha Denona tutorial together as well, where Natasha had kind of created this very beautiful multi-dimensional teal and gold kind of a look using her new gold palette, and then I saw this over at her place and I thought the colors were kind of similar. I really wanted to give that kind of color combination a go. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let's just jump right into it. So today I am starting off with my base, and for that I am using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude in the shade Bronze. I absolutely love the finish of this. You can use whatever foundation works best for you. For eyebrows, I use the Benefit Eyebrow Pencil in Goof Proof, and I use the shade number 5, and I'm just using that to fill up my eyebrows. Today I am going to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. This is from their Vault, and first I'm going to take that olive shade and I am taking that onto the outer corner of my eyes, and I am placing it in the shape of a V. I am using a very small precise brush to do so, and I am slowly adding in more and more color as I am blending the outsides. So just wanted the outer corners to be deeper than the rest, like really stark contrast between the olive and the gold, and so I'm adding in depth on the outer corner using this. I'm also taking the same color on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking the golden eyeshadow called Coin, and I am applying that all over my eyelid. And once I have applied that, I am using some more of the olive eyeshadow to darken the outer corner and just blend the 2 shades together. And lastly, I'm going to use this greenish yellow shade just on top of where I've blended the olive eyeshadow, just as a transition shade. Next, I am applying mascara. This is the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit, and I'm applying that both on my bottom and top lashes. And then I am quickly going to apply a little bit of concealer to highlight my face, just applying that underneath my eyes, on my nose, and a little bit on my forehead and chin, and using a beauty blender to blend it all in. I'm using this Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks by Bobbi Brown. It is called Blushed Rose. It is one of my absolute favorite, and I'm using this on my cheeks first using this stippling brush, the same brush that I used to apply my foundation. This is from NYX. And to highlight my face, I'm using this liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Champagne, and again I'm using the beauty blender to apply this onto the tops of my cheekbones. And lastly, I am applying the same color on my lips, just using it as a lip balm actually. So the color is absolutely stunning for every day. I love wearing this, and I have been loving the formula as well because it's so moisturizing, and I am loving the slightly glossier kind of finish these days over mattes, so I decided to use this. And that's it. That's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I didn't want to keep this one too chatty because my last video was super duper chatty, and I just wanted to like just go straight into what I was doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you guys thought of the look. And yeah, I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.